video that you're looking. We're looking at a November blizzard. First one I've seen since 2005. Put my other glove on. Yeah, winter's coming in like a charging rhinoceros. Right now I'm wearing the safety glasses I got from Ventra, so my glasses don't freeze over. I haven't seen, it's been since like 2005 I've seen snow like this. A few more things that are around here. Here, let the loppers somewhere around here. Oh, there they go. Thought they were over here. I'll find them in the spring. I don't know where you're at, but it's definitely weather outside is frightful moment. November blizzard 2022. All right, have a great day, everybody.